short there.
What up, guys? So I have Mark here, and he took my class, and he's going to give us a good review here. And yes, I'm this much taller. Somebody called me Jason the Giant. Maybe that's what I need to change my name to, is Jason the Giant. But I have Mark here. He just took my pressure washing class, and so he wants to give me a good review. So let's hear his good review from him.
So if you're on the fence about taking the pressure washing course, for me, it was a no-brainer. Got hands-on, tactile experience with it. Pressure washing the whole house. We got before and afters that Jason will show you on his channel. But no hesitation in taking the course, and no hesitation in recommending it for anybody who's on the fence.
So was you a little concerned before you started, didn't know what you were going to get into?
I was not sure what the course was going to entail and what I was going to get out of it. But we started doing the business side of it first, got into the marketing, got some real detailed information about marketing, Google My Business, promoting on Facebook, LinkedIn, and once everything settled down, we get out there in the field and we got actual hands-on. It's not you sitting there watching Jason spray the house down. It's that you actually have the wand in your hand, you're actually spraying the house, you're actually seeing the before and after, and it's a good feeling knowing that, you know, you can get out there and do it yourself.
Awesome. I appreciate it, man. Any last words for anybody that might be on the fence?
I'd say do it. It's worth the money. It's a little steep, but like I said, you get hands-on. You get walked through each step, each phase of the process. Any questions that you have, Jason does not hesitate to answer them in full with detailed information. And I know he's somewhat accessible, but make sure that you sign up today. Where's your next one going to be at?
Coming up shortly.
Okay. Make sure you sign up for that one, wherever it is. It's worth the trip. Fortunately, it was in the Cleveland area for me, so that's about an hour drive. But we got a guy that came 12 hours, you know, so that's a testimony right there as to how effective this training is.
Awesome. I'll see you in my next video.